Hello guys, you're welcome to Essential Kitchen. So in this episode I'm going to be teaching you this delicious mouth watering lumpy egusi soup. This method of cooking this egusi soup is a bomb, like it's giving. So in here are my ingredients. I have already prepared it, so if you look at it you will see my uziza leaf, okay, my dry fish, my protein, that is my beef, a grounded egusi, an aerial soup. Then I have my blended dry fish. I also have my blended fresh pepper. So the first thing to do is to use hot water to wash your dry fish. Make sure it's well clean, okay? So you can feel free to use any protein of your choice. You can decide to use a cow leg or assorted meat for this soup, okay? Even the vegetable, you can use bitter leaf, you can use spinach, you can use afan leaf, but I'm going to be using uziza leaf. If you haven't tried this uziza leaf on egusi soup, you are really missing out, okay? So you can see I'm washing my fish. After washing it, I debone it. You can debone if you want, so wash it thoroughly well, okay?
Each dish a story, never tragic. Customers smile spreading wide. Enjoy our only guide. Taste explosion in each bite. Perfect the season, morning to night. Lo 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 lo. Essential Kitchen is the best in town. It's the best.
So once that is done, place your pot on the fire, add your already cooked meat with the stock, add the dry fish, now cube, add your pepper and salt, okay? Add your dry grounded crayfish or grounded fish. This is grounded dry fish. So I now top it up some water, okay? Then stir everything together, add your onions, add your palm oil, then cover it to cook for like 10 minutes so that the fish will get softened, okay? So while that is boiling, go ahead and prepare your vegetable, our uziza leaf, okay? Start by plucking it. After that, you wash it and slice it, okay, into tiny pieces and set it aside. So just watch carefully how to achieve this lumpy egusi soup, okay? This is for the ODOGWU'S. So you can see our soup is beginning to boil beautifully fine. Can you see that? So just watch me closely how I'm going to achieve this lumpy egusi soup. So I added the stock to the egusi, okay? You can also use ordinary hot water. Pour it the egusi. The makeup of this egusi is here, aerial soup is there, and also the okrish is there. So you turn it and mix it well to form a smooth paste, then start adding it bit by bit. You can also use your hand to mold it if you want to be getting the chunk of it, okay? So if you want it small, just go ahead and add it like this. Add it. After that, just top it up with water and cover it to boil for like 5 minutes. So this is after 5 minutes. go ahead and stir it. Then I just added the other kind of fish and the blended dry fish. Okay, this blended dry fish is is going to give it a very nice taste. You're not going to be needing or more of the Maggi and seasoning, so it's going to be giving it a very nice. So you can see, can you feel the egusi, like it's like one, okay, it's like one. So that is how to achieve this lumpy delicious egusi soup. Okay, so that is it. It's very easy and straightforward, very simple. Okay, so you can adjust it the way you want, add it extra water if need be. Okay, you can see our egusi soup is ready. Oh my god, so it's time for testing, guys. Hey guys, like, get any kind of swallow. You can use fufu, you can use semo, you can use yam pando, you can use plantain pando, you can use gari. So I'm going to be making, a very fluffy gari to use it and bring this one down. So guys, this is it. How do you see this type of method of cooking egusi? Do you like it? Are you going to be trying it? So I want you to comment on the comment section. Tell me if you're going to be trying it. Tell me if you have tried it before and if you really love this kind of method of cooking egusi soup. So thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to follow me and to subscribe to my channel, and to follow me on Facebook, follow me on YouTube, and also follow me on Facebook. Okay, so I'm going to be making my gari. First of all, you allow your water to get boiled, then pour it on a bowl, add your gari, top it up with some water, then use your gari turner and turn it very well. Turn it until it's form a smooth, a kind of paste on, so turn it very well together. Then put it in a white nylon and wrap it. That is how to make your gari. Very simple. I know there are other methods of making gari, but this is one of the methods of making gari. So guys, hey guys, this is it. Hey, this soup is very delicious. The thing they enter for brain, it enter for brain. So tell me if you like my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow and subscribe. Okay, thank you.
Never tragic. Customers smile spreading wide. Enjoy our only guide. Taste explosion in each bite. Perfect this season, morning till night. Lo.
Bye, and thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.